Eto.
Ang patag, para di ka mahirapan.
Yes. Alright. Ang ginagawa ko ngayon, I am wheelchairing Papa. Right here.
Ilang oras tayo rito?
Hanggang alas 11 na eh, malauna. Alas 4:30 pa naman ang closing. Yan ang sasakyan namin. Papa, akin na yung kamay nyo. Yan! Doble. Doble ang hawak. Very good. Ito si Papa. Well, anyway, ako muna tingnan nyo. Because we're going away from the ship. Thank you. The ship, and this is our walkway. Look at that. A lot of people. Right there. So we're walking away from the ship. Let's see.